Trump, do you know you are responsible for the deaths of thousands of Americans? You are responsible for the heart-cracking cries of millions of mothers who have lost their child around the world? Putin, do you know you are responsible for the helpless surrender of human beings before a tiny little thing, which is neither an animal, nor a plant, nor an object? UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, do you know your great failure is responsible for the spread of the virus in the countries? David, President of the World Bank, do you know you are responsible for the people's tears, screams and fears? The tiger which is carrying the coronavirus at the zoo in New York, you guys carried the virus to him. Yes, you. Kim, do you know? Moon, do you know? Lee, do you know? Abe, do you know? Boris, do you know? You all have brought tears to people's eyes, have brought fear to people's minds, have brought disease to the holy souls. Now mothers can't hold their children in their bosoms. Now the children can't touch their old fathers. Now lovers have forgotten kissing. Now people can't find a piece of land in the cemetery. There's no room for the bodies in the morgues. There's so much oxygen on earth, but there's no ventilator to inhale it because you have built this cruel world. The total budget for 2021 of America's nuclear bomb-equipped submarine is $128 billion, $12,800 million. 1,088,000 crore taka for submarines only. Now there's no money to buy the ventilators, no money to buy PPE in New York hospitals. Health workers are wearing dustbin bags as protective equipment. Modi, with a year's budget for your nuclear bomb, you could have provided drinking water for every single person in India. No Rajasthani woman would have to walk 6 miles over the hot sand just for a drop of water under the brain-melting sun in the desert. You could have provided sanitation facilities for every house with a year's budget for nuclear bomb. 60 million people in your country are going to the open air to respond to the call of nature under the open sky. What are you proud of? Imran Khan, with a year's budget of your nuclear bomb, you could have built 1 million primary schools. You could have built 10,000 hospitals every year. Your globalization has sent the coronavirus to the lungs of an indigenous girl in Amazon. Your globalization is now making the tribal forest of Africa blue with the biting of corona death. A little girl commits suicide of hunger in a rural cottage of Bangladesh. Modi, do you understand? Your Citizen Amendment Act couldn't stop a single virus. Ranveer, who started walking his way home from Delhi after crossing 200 kilometers on foot, had crossed the land of death. The clogged up bluish blood in his heart is created by you. Imran Khan, do you understand? Tanks are not at all a security. Your F-16s are now nothing but resting cattle. And thousands of people are boiling themselves under the tents in extreme heat at the border of Balochistan and Iran. No bathroom, no water, no tests despite the symptoms. They are infecting themselves and they are spreading the infection all over Pakistan. No facility, no humanity. Trump, Modi, do you understand? Neither the border wall nor the barbed wires can keep you safe. Do you understand? All nuclear missiles can't protect you. We know humans won't be defeated. We know people will buy life at the cost of many deaths. Man will be born again. Again people will come closer to each other and they will hug one another warmly. One day the vaccine will be invented. One day from Earth, even the last coronavirus will also be eliminated. But a virus will still exist, that is greed. The pride for nations will exist. Racism will exist. Class discrimination will exist. Communal hatred will exist. Extremism will exist. I am a boss Christiana. Do you know you are responsible for the humiliation of humanity? Jeff Bezos, do you know the 6-month-old baby who died of the coronavirus? You have sprayed the virus to him. Ambani, do you realize money is not a security? When 20% of people own 80% of the world's wealth, the coronavirus will appear. When 2% of the people possess the freedom of 98% people, the coronavirus will appear. But just after 1 year, you will forget everything. The results will remain the same even if we blame you. Not only you are responsible, we are responsible too in the humiliation of humanity for the pathetic cries of the helpless people. We will forget everything. We will make you Trump again. We will make you Putin again. And they will make you David Malpass, President of the World Bank. They will recruit young executives for the World Bank who will send toilet rolls to the Amazon forest and tell Africans to use hand sanitizer. The chimneys will emit smoke again. The sky will turn black again. The atmosphere of the blue planet will be filled with waste poison. The water level of the oceans will rise. Bangladesh, Maldives, Netherlands will be submerged. Again, Trump will utter with a nasty smile, everything is under control. Corona is a hoax, climate change is a bluff. Felony will be hanging from the barbed wires of border fences at the Bangladesh and India border. Rivera will die at the Mexican border. In an icy cold covered van on the border of Eastern Europe, 30 people devoid of any country will die. Island's corpse will be lying at the sandy seashore like a doll in a red dress with 3 small seashells on it, cry for survival in his fists, dry salt in his pocket. Little Umran will shockingly watch the buildings falling on him. His lips are blood-stained. Nusrat will burn and will yell, I will tell the whole world. Our souls are filled with viruses, and you are the main hosts of virus. Trump, Putin, Lee, Modi, Imran, Boris, Abe. But the virus today doesn't consider the rich and poor. They aren't obeying any missile, any atom bomb, CAA, barbed wires or border walls. Because atom bombs aren't a security. This blue planet can be destroyed 6 times with all the deadly weapons, but not a single child can be saved because the missiles aren't a security. Because there is no virus greater than discrimination and inequality. There is no greater epidemic than exploitation and greed. There is no greater disaster than racism and communalism. There is no virus greater than war and jealousy. We need vaccines to eliminate the virus from our souls forever. We need ventilators to heal the world. We want such ventilators with the help of which the planet will be made a purer one. Where some people own fakes, how 780 million people will die. Where 780 million people will write their own and collective communique with every animal, plant, forest, mountain, sky, river, sea, like every being all together, their very own green amendment of life.